Okay, this one's for Mr. Ace. He's always stressing out about this one, and I can confirm that his suspicions are true, and the sound is fucked on this one. Let's fire it on. There's 4 GFX ROMs missing. Oh, well, you'll see the errors, but we're testing sound here, not video. Okay, and from now on it'll be knackered. So you won't get a credit noise now. It'll just say, that worked. Yeah, it's not right though. So yeah, that is not right. So you'll see now, there's a graphic problem. 4 of those need doing. The sound problem, I'm sure it's a line missing from here somewhere, going to these pals, or maybe these pals. So we need someone with the ROM board version of that game to take some line tests to see where these mod wires go. Okay, there we go.